When it comes to efficient and reliable dumpster rental in Sterlington, Louisiana, Pursuit Rental is your trusted partner. From home renovations and cleanouts to construction projects, Pursuit Rental offers tailored solutions to your waste management needs. Our diverse fleet of dumpsters accommodates projects of all sizes, ensuring that no matter how big or small, we have a solution that fits your needs perfectly. We understand the importance of having the right dumpster for your project. We provide prompt delivery, flexible rental options, and transparent upfront pricing. Whether tackling a small home project or managing a large-scale construction job, our team ensures you have the right resources to keep things running smoothly. Experience the difference with Pursuit Rental, where our commitment to excellent service and customer satisfaction sets us apart. Call 318-366-8800 or visit www.pursuitrentals.com. Dumpster Rental, Sterlington, LA, to find out how we can assist with your waste management needs. Let us handle the logistics while you focus on what matters most. Trust Pursuit Rental for all your dumpster needs, where exceptional service meets convenience. Reach out today and experience the difference.